Priya is 28, smart, independent, earning well. 3 years ago, she set up a 500 rupee SIP, felt good about it, moved on. But last week, her colleague Sneha casually mentioned her portfolio value, and Priya went quiet. Same salary, same starting point, very different numbers. Here's the thing, Sneha didn't earn more, she didn't pick better stocks. She just did one small extra thing. Every January, she increased her SIP by 500 rupees. That's it. No financial advisor, no market research, just a quiet little habit once a year. Priya kept her 500 rupees untouched and forgot it existed. Let's talk numbers because this is where it gets real. Starting a 500 rupee SIP and never increasing it. Over 10 years, you'd have roughly 1.1 lakh rupees. Starting the same 500 rupees but stepping it up by 500 every year, you'd be closer to 3.5 lakh. Same market, same fund, completely different outcome. The only variable is one small annual habit. And honestly, this is most of us. We do the hard part, which is starting. But then life gets busy. A salary hike comes and goes. A new job. A move to a new city. And that 500 rupee SIP just sits there, quietly becoming irrelevant. Inflation alone is eating into its real value every single year. There's no shame in where Priya is. Starting early, even small, was absolutely the right call. But a 500 rupee SIP at 28, earning 60,000 rupees a month, that's no longer aligned with where her life is. Your investments should grow with you, not stay frozen at the version of you from 3 years ago. So here's the one thing to do this weekend. Open your mutual fund app, find your SIP, check the amount. If it hasn't changed in over a year, increase it by even 500 or 1000 rupees. No new fund, no research, no big decision. Just step up what you already started. Priya increased hers last Sunday. It took 4 minutes. She's not starting over. She's just catching up with herself. And that small update, made on a quiet Sunday afternoon, will silently compound into something significant over the next decade. You already did the hard part. Now just don't forget to keep up. This channel is one money conversation a week. No jargon, no overwhelming advice. Just honest, simple money talk. For people who are figuring this out as they go. If that sounds like you, subscribe. Priya did.